3 days in Singapore, this is your 3-day itinerary in Singapore. And kahit 3 days ka lang nandito, kayang-kaya mo na libutin lahat ng main attractions sa Singapore. Don't forget to book your activities, airport transfers, and hotel from Klook and use your code HAPPYBASICKLOOK. Day 1 arrival. Go around Changi Airport. And then don't forget to buy Unli Pass para sa train and bus. Next, punta ka sa Gardens by the Bay, Merlion Park, Marina Bay Sands. Pwede ka rin umakyat doon sa tuktok para makita yung view ng buong Singapore. And then at night, kumain ka na sa Lau Pa Sat. Day 2, agahan mo ang gising. Ride the Singapore cable car. Then, go straight sa Universal Studios Singapore. At night, punta ka ng Bugis or ng Chinatown para kumain and mag-buy ng mga souvenirs. Day 3, check out and leave your bag sa hotel. Go straight sa Sentosa Island. Mag-luge ka, mag-sea aquarium, and kung gusto mo ng adrenaline rush, try bungee jumping or the giant swing. And then balik sa hotel, get your bags, and go straight sa Changi Airport for your flight. We hope this helps!